My name is Lisa, and I am a vet tech. Well, actually retired now. We moved from Maryland, and now I volunteer to visit patients and staff. I enjoy watching how much he enjoys it and how much it brings joy to the staff and patients. Grew up with dental issues. My teeth were discolored. I had broken teeth. I would grind so they were not even. It was not very pleasing to look in the mirror.
When Miss Lisa came into our office, she came here based off of another dentist that had concerns for the overall longevity of her teeth. We focused on Miss Lisa. We heard her concerns. We talked with her. She had very short, shallow teeth from wear, biting, grinding. Miss Lisa, it wasn't her fault. Her function. She chewed so hard that her teeth shortened, and there wasn't much tooth structure left. So she was at a point where if she didn't do something, she would lose her teeth. We formulated a custom plan for her, something that she could maintain and preserve her teeth.
My first impression coming here was they make you feel like family. Warm and welcoming from the front door to the back to everything they do. There is never a point where you feel uncomfortable. It's enjoyable now to be around people and smile. Dr. Ryan, I just want to say how much I appreciate you, your professionalism, confidence you've given me in my teeth, and I just can't even thank you enough.